Hello, my name is Stephanie. So, if you want to subscribe, this is my dog Coco. He's so much cute, and I have a mom, a dad, and a grandma. And my brother is going somewhere. My other brother, he's over there working. So they don't have time to do working. My other brother is going to work, and I forgot what my I can't say my brother Russell doing. So I know that my brother Michael is working. So yeah, we need. I need more videos. So please subscribe. Like about 100 subscribers today. Someday I'm gonna go to Stampy's Red or Dainty Dam World and play their world and maybe make a maze and do that. I'm gonna do a lot of Minecraft. And when I get older, I'm gonna play a lot of Minecraft. And so you can play my games. And that's all I have to say. Bye!